Hi there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to create your Discord bot using this method. So first is I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper or something to put down notes in, because we're gonna use a coding process, and this coding is really strict and needs to be followed accordingly. So please follow the steps properly. And I have a note here. If you want to pause a video and copy it, it's perfectly fine. I'm just gonna go through them one by one as the video goes on, and then you can just follow or make your own notes, okay? Anyway, this is the website that you want to be in. It's gonna be discord.com/developer/applications. And once you're here, just click on new application. It's beside your icon, and then click on that one. Let's name our bot. I'm gonna name mine Superbot. Agree to the terms and services, click on agree, and this is the landing page. This is where we set up our bot, the name, the description. Once you're here, I want you to go on bot right here, because I want to show you that you can change the image. You can also change the name here. And then once you're here, you made sure everything is good. You change the name, the photo. I want you to go on this second option. It's going to be 002 or 002. I really don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. So you have two options here: is general and URL generator. Since we need a URL or a link, I'm gonna click on that one, and then click on bot, since we're creating a bot, right? Under that one, it will give you a subtopic, which is the permissions for the bot to have. Technically, you can just click on administrator and you can have all of the permissions here. However, it might seem good, but it has also a greater risk. For example, if your bot gets hacked, it's your server is as good as gone, because all of this permissions is very strong access. So I really suggest just choose the specifics that you want. For example, send messages, manage messages, send messages in threads, kick ban members, manage channels, manage roles, and so on and so forth. For example, this one, I think this is the main or general roles a bot should have. You can also change and manage the names, by the way. And then from here on out, just copy the link, put in a new tab, paste it right there. And then this website is gonna ask you what server are we gonna put our bot here. So since I'm gonna choose my server right now, click on authorize, and then I'm just gonna do this capture real quickly. So just bear with me, okay? I'm just looking for apples right here. Perfect. Now as you can see, it was notified that Superbot's already on my server. Perfect. Then once we're here, you can just remove this. It doesn't really matter. So the most important part here, our bot is in our server. Now the next step is gonna be, let me just open my notes. Open this this website. This is the link. It's gonna be repl.it.com or repl. And then once we're here, I want you to log in. It's just a sign up, easy sign up. Just use your Gmail or something. Click on this one. Once you're here, create repl. Just click that one again, and then just choose this node.js, this format. Name the project whatever you like. Let's just name it Superbot project, and then create repl.it, right? From here, this should be our editing, coding page. So let me just pull up my notes here, make sure we're following it to the point. So once we sign up, choose Node.js, we're done here. Let's go to packages, which is over on the tools. This is the tools that we're gonna have. Click on packages, search on node.js. Let me just check that out. What? It's gonna be node.js. Give it a second, okay? So just download the very first version that pops up. This is the latest version. Download it. Once you're done downloading node.js, I want you to download discord.js. Let me just copy that one, paste it, and then once we're here, just download it, right? Again, download that one. Okay, I'm very sorry, I think I forgot to download node.js. Let me just type that one again, node.js, and I'm just gonna install or download the latest version of this one. And please take note, on the lower left you can see your specifics of your computer or CPU. And as of now, my CPU is having a very high performance. Example, 100% efficiency for my CPU. You can just check that later on. So from here you have node.js, install that right there, and then once done, I want you to click on shell. Let's say it's done. Click on shell right here, and then once we're here, I want you to let's open this one. You can copy the notes actually. Open that one first. Make sure you open shell, right? Once you're in shell, choose the second code. So again, shout out to this creator, Imagine Gaming Play. We're gonna borrow his code or her code, the second one. Let me just copy everything, paste it on shell. Let me just check. Maybe I didn't paste it properly. So it will load a few seconds to be precise. Let's just wait until there isn't any variable showing. Now let's just go back to our notes, okay? So it says paste on shell, and then click on enter. So 0 vulnerability is good, so I mean that there's no error on that code. Now once done on copying, go to package, this one right here, and then we're gonna change this code. We're gonna change this code right here, okay? Make sure that you follow it to the point. So the code that we want to change here is, actually I already made one earlier. We can just follow this one. Let's just check it. So you can just compare. So as you can see, there is no comma here, and then here there's a comma, and there's a apostrophe start colon here with apostrophe node period. That's a very important thing to note. There's a space before the period there. There isn't here. So technically just follow this one, and we can proceed with this one now. I'm just gonna drag it down right here, remove this one. Let's just proceed on this platform since this is the one that I made earlier, so we can save time. Okay, now once we're here, let's check my notes. Copy second code, already done, already changed code. Now make a new file named repl.it. From here I already added the new file here. I just type in repl.it, which is this one, and as you can see I just put repl.it this code run equals apostrophe start, and then that's good. Now once here, go back to index.js, which is this one right here. And as you can see, this is the one that took a lot of time earlier, trial and error. Please copy this code. This is from scratch. There isn't any other description that you can copy it. You can just copy everything here. Please pause the video if you like, just copy it to the point. Now once done, I want you to go to secrets, or tools I mean. And it's actually secret, it's named secret, that's why. So from here, I want you to put in the secret key, type in token, and then we're gonna need a value. Where can we find a value? Go back to your bot section right here, and then I'm sorry, I click in tester. Now token, for security purposes, tokens can only be viewed once. When created, if you forgot or lost your token, please regenerate a new one. Let's reset our token. Your bot will stop working until you update the token. Yes, do it, because we need that token. Copy token. Once good, go back to the coding, enter value, add the secret, and then when it's done, let's just skip this step. Got it. Perfect. You'll know your secret is done, your token is good if you see this icon right here. And now let's just check our code right here, our notes I mean. Now you can just click on run here. Once click on run, I want you to take note on this URL. Technically this is a good code now. This should be on your Discord bot. That should be done. Technically we're done, but I'm gonna take you a step further. Please copy this URL, go to this website, just create a register or an account, register for it. So let's just name it right this one, put in a password. Okay, how did we know? Let's just website article. I just need to go up in this website. Give me a second guys, okay? Because I want you to take a step further, because this should help your robot. So once here, log in, and then enter our email, our password, logged in. I need to confirm my email. Again, please take note, use a verified email or an active email when creating this kinds of account. As you can see, it's asking me to verify it. Activate my account right here, close on that one, and perfect. I'm inside the Uptime robot. From here on out, I want you to take note that this is a very important website to further activate your bot. Once here, I want you to click on add new monitor, and then just type in HTTPS, Just follow this one. Let me just check my notes here. Copy link on top and paste it on the URL. This one right here. Copy it and then paste it right here. And that's it. Just create your monitor, save it. Let me just check my notes here. I may just follow that one. Let me just remove this. I think it went overboard. Perfect. Now, once done, just register, copy link, create monitor, and it's done. That should benefit your robot right now. I'm sorry, your bot, create monitor. And then moving forward, that's how you create your own bot, your Discord bot, and put it actively 24/7 on your Discord server. It's still here, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you.